Fans, welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up to my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you as you do so. My lovely fans, I want to believe that this thing where you talk, he just said it out of anger. I don't want to believe that this thing is truth. Hey, because if this thing is truth, that means these people went far. They went far, and I make you not feel leave the Quincy. They went far. Hey, whoa, my people. Sometimes we'll just be in the same house with enemy. You know, say snake fit enter person house. Stay with person for 10 years. Person not go know. Exactly the same thing that May Edochie kept in her house. Is she kept her enemy in her house. Hey, yo. When they say make he come pay all the money when he thief for May Edochie, you don't say why they tell una. Una not believe me. Court don't talk now. Atuna don't believe me. All the money he stole from May Edochie, they said you should come and pay. He should pay all. Yo, na body dey pepper am. Body dey hot yo. Because this money, not be say use and take do one better thing. Now money we carry, take give the Juju Ekwensu. Now yo don dey talk oh. Hey, they say yo don begin dey talk, body dey hot am. The man dey hustle. Anywhere where they call her for movie, they shook head. But you no go fit pay the money. Mbanu. You know, say money where person not work for. If you dey collect and they just give you the ATM card. If you dey collect and body go dey sweet am. Body go dey sweet am. Go dey make you just put am, you press am, tak. Money come outside. Oh my God. Body go dey sweet you. Now so you take shop money. Come pay money now. You don't dey talk with it big. Pass your head. Hey! According to you don't drag Juju Ekwensu and his sister come outside. He said they go come pay. He said they go pay. The Mogalu family. He said una go pay oh. Hey. I say na this social media we go sit down. Now time he go take. He go cast. Now time he go take, but this thing go cast. This Juju Ekwensu and your story. When they sit down on top, say nobody's going to know what we did. Na lie, umbano. All the na cast. He is going to cast. My people. They say people were shocked with what you were saying. You don't provoke. He said Juju Ekwensu and his sister. He said me they can't pay him money back. He said me they can't pay him money. I bet me una take una chair. This one, you need to take your chair, take your joko or your popcorn and listen to my story. Listen to the story. Hey, Ogini. You said the whole thing started after he lose his political career. He said now there they start to carry and they go native daughter. He said they told him that he will regain everything back. He said because of his desperation to become a governor, he followed them. He said that was how it all started. He said a lot happened though. He said BLOOD sacrifice was done. He said different things winning Matt not even talk. That he did because they guarantee him. He said they did not promise him. He said they guarantee him that he will be governor. He said while on the process, he said they go to tell him, obstacle. May Edochie is obstacle. She's standing in your way. May Edochie is a witch. He said they will say bring money. He said go send money. They go still do sacrifice. He said they go still call her. They'll say Daniela na Ogbanje. Make you bring money. Daniela they block the road. He said go still send money, go give them. They go still do. He said they go call her. Your children, they are standing against you. They are not happy. Their mother don't give them witch. They need to clear this. They need to clear that. He said go still send money. You say no fit talk the amount of money when he said go give Juju Ekwensu and the family. He said they did not promise him, they guarantee him. He said at least when he deal with me Edochie, he even go to say he won't be governor. He said but with Juju Ekwensu, he said they not even see his face. He said they not see his face. He don't campaign. He not even get any political party where he belong. He said na card where they give everybody, and they give him membership card. Membership card where they say they beg people, say, please take now, go see how they share bag of rice. They beg them for membership card. He said now they give. Now they give her. He said the old guarantee where they guarantee her. Say Augusta, mama, and papa. He said that Juju Ekwensu papa, he said na he worst pass. He said that papa, He said they just they talk say papa. He said Juju Ekwensu papa that he worst pass. He said that man is a number 1 criminal when it comes to money. He said the man, they collect the money. He own bring. He said the man, and money that 5 and 6. He said that's how he spent money on this, sent money to these people. They guarantee him that he will become the governor of Anambra State. He said now another person enter. Now they see say he not even get any political party when he belong. He said, yeah, Juju Ekwensu sister will tell and say, don't worry. Ibe Shuku Obube. Shuku Ibibe. I'll be waiting the eye this week and Shuku Okika. I will speak Igbo for this one. Igbo people love vessel. The language too sweet. You know, say if I talk and they speak well, even if I don't know what they speak. He say Augusta sister go say Shuku Okika. Shuku Okika. Correct me, Shuku Okika. Shuku Okika. Say don't abandon her. Say not get political party. Talk less or say won't be governor. He said, what kind of a thing is this? For how many years now? He said he know the amount he spends. He said all this money where they drag him. He said now Juju chopper. When we go tell her say do spiritual work, una say no, now we be devil. Una go meet people where be say they take una start and they work for una. You see? Do simple spiritual work with they inside Bible, they inside Quran, and no go here. Do you need somebody to work for you? The work you work with your hand is more powerful than any other person that will do it for you. You only run to spiritual people when the matter is greater than you. For example, you sleep, you dream that somebody wish you with a gun for dream, which is way beyond you. Then you seek for spiritual person. It can be a pastor. It can be a pastor. It can be anybody. Then you seek for spiritual help. But normal cleansing, all those things, clearing of way, you don't need anybody. Yes, you don't need anybody. Oh God, desperation. Your wife prayer was not enough. Which prayer reached the prayer of your wife? No native daughter can clear the road like your wife. Married men, listen. No prayer is stronger than the prayer of your wife. Your wife kneeling down to pray for you. Your life don't better. That's why you should never offend your wife. Your wife, they pray for you, your life better. You say no. You say they go meet Shuku Okika. Shuku Okika now, you say you spent money. Instead of you going forward, you using a backwardness. Now they go. Now you say they should refund money. Money where they say do juju, then they return now. Make una don't verse here, they laugh. The last time I check, money where they say do juju, they know they refund them. But here you say they go refund you. You say they go refund you. He said na 419 the player. He said Shuku Okika, not there anywhere. He said they've destroyed him. He said, but now he stand the ground. He said that destruction ends. Before I go into the details, let me welcome you to my wonderful and amazing channel. This is Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you as you do so. And to all my wonderful and amazing subscribers, may God Almighty in heaven bless you all. massively in Jesus' name. Inshallah. Amen. He said, Juju Ekwesu sister. He said, this her sister. He said, na witch. He said, big witch na she be. During this court case, when they go on so, he said, the small money we still get for hand, going for still they do good today. He said, do you know that these people dry hand? So, according to him, he said Juju Ekwesu's sister tell him, say, Daniela na big ogbanje, big one. He said, he show Daniela na mami water. Say Daniela gets her own kingdom. He get people where they worship her. Say they need to do Daniela ogbanje. Say me they do am fast. So that Daniela go dey bless you. Instead of her to the curse am. He say all you problem now. He say na Daniela na e curse am. Say don't carry you go lock for the ogbanje kingdom. So Augusta tell am say, he say Juju Ekwesu sister tell am say, make him bring money come make they go do ogbanje. We all know say to do ogbanje no be small money. Some people will be say that they normal. The real ones, they don't charge you. You see these fake ones where they charge you na money. They call you na ogbanje, will not be ogbanje. You don't tell ogbanje person say be ogbanje. Ogbanje person know himself. They know themselves. You don't tell somebody, come here, you are ogbanje. No. Ogbanje know themselves. And if you don't know yourself, you are not. Don't put what you don't know on your head. Don't invite spirit that will dim your lights in the name of claiming spirits that you know nothing about. They say Daniela and ogbanje. You say carry money. Say not be small money that they do Daniela ogbanje. How can you say somebody's ogbanje and you do the ogbanje for the person without the person or no? Hey. How can you do ogbanje for person when the person not there? The person not even know say na ogbanje. Hey. My people, they say na so you say na so they carry Daniela picture. They go they do ogbanje. He said na they cause me stand for Daniela. He can't hold Daniela picture. They cause me go bring Daniela cloth. He say he already get Daniela cloth where he don't carry. He can't carry Daniela cloth. Your father, see what you're doing to your children. He carried Daniela cloth. He said they take go to ogbanje. He said make him not talk money we spend. He said he spent money. He said I seen the talk now. He said Daniela ogbanje did Abuja there. They inside the house for Abuja. That's why they cannot show all their house. Juju dey inside the house. Ogbanje. Daniela enemy. May I put enemy, not be the poor girl. Daniela enemy ogbanje dey for you house for Abuja. He said that they worship her, that they do everything. He said the ogbanje dey there. He said the same Juju Ekwesu sister tell am say, this court case, say May Edochie go leave the house. He said from court, now May Edochie go run mad. He said May Edochie go leave that house. He said from court, now May Edochie enemy go run mad. Then you we take over the house. We take over his children. He said they promise and say make you no worry. Say this court case, say May Edochie enemy go run mad for inside court. And when they go check, they go see her hand say she put leg for outside. When the marriage has not been completely neutralized, completely cancelled. If I go speak English, I don't know. He said so for that reason. He said they'll say now, leg go she put for outside. Then they worry me. Edochie enemy. He said that May Edochie enemy. He said go just colo from inside courts. He said you the house is yours. He said the court tell us say beds. The children when May Edochie born. Say May Edochie don't give all those children witchcraft. They have to do something. He said that time they don't do Daniela home. Say the court tell us say Daniela is free now. Daniela ogbanje go dey bless You. But you needs to the worship Daniela Ogbanje. Hey. Then they come tell and say, these ones really dey here so. These ones, Kai and Zen. They need to do something to wash the witchcraft wey me Edochie give them. So that they no go to see you. In the night when they change to witch, when they find you come, they no go see you. He say consent money. He say not be small money spent. He say they can still do that one. He say they can tell us say they don't free. He say make you no worry. Say if they go court, me Edochie go kolo. He say sometimes if they go court, say they will tell us say make it not go. Say na today now me Edochie kolo, enemy won't kolo. He said they go say that today me Edochie enemy won't kolo. He said they will go court, me Edochie will still enter court, come aside. He said they will still call her, they'll say me bring money come. Say na Rita Edochie, na he stand for me Edochie. Rita Edochie, na he stand. Na she Rita Edochie na big witch. Na she back me Edochie. They need to scatter that thing. Make you use to bring money. You say, na so they send money. Na so they send money, not they finish. Their problem not they finish. You say money we spend. He say today, governor he not be. May Edochie, she not kolo. Our children, they are very okay. In short, our children are doing better. He will call they do juju to stop every evil. Na your condition come worst. You say not do again. He say mo galu family mo na return money. He say make una return all the money we na collect from her. All the money. He say he spends a lot. He say not be small money he send. He say Papa Juju Eko Esu na he dey call am. Go say yeah, see the account number. Put it. Have you put it? He go see they come. He say sometimes he go run for movie location. They go tell they'll just call am. They'll say yo. Go say they'll say they don't throw accident for road. He say Juju Eko Esu sister go dey pray. Shukwu okika. Ambe de me mo. Chineke na akpọ o. Ogini na-eme. Oshikwu okika. Quick, go send money come. They need to clear road. Your enemies will not see you. They will blind. This accident, back to sender. He said, go run, leave movie for movie location. When they find where one send money, go give them. They will tell and say, road don't clear. Drive your car, move. Hey, Chineke. He said, now so he go come drive car, he go drive come out. You know, say, these people are 419. You say they are 419. He said, I must return the money. He said, all the money where they talk. He said, the ones who enter juju, 80%, say na 20% they eat. He said, 80% na juju. I use that to do. Thinking that it will come out better. He said, but look at him. Look at him, dead full neck, trouble, problem. You know, they even sleep. If they sleep, if you remember problem where they had, he said, so you go jump, wake up. I person where they rush go work. Hey, Chineke. You say they should pay him back his money, all his money they took. Not be small kasala they go on now. You say Juju Eko Esu sister and the papa. He said they go pay him. He said, now this is sister and the father. He said, now two of them, they do runs for that juju. He said, now two of them. He said, their mama owner to the fly. That one a fly, just the fly. Say, you see that their papa, that be account manager. Say, money we send, go give these people. If you sit down, think you be like, say, make it colo. Say, na lie. Say, na go pay him money. My lovely fans. Money where they take do juju, they still the refund. If you know about that too, let us know in the comment section. Because me, I don't know. Hey! Not be small wahala. You have a wife that pray for you. Free prayer. You say what go do juju. Say now juju you won't go do. Say better. Even if to say this juju bless you. Did you ask what they will take from you for what they want to give to you? I always tell people, before you do juju for person, remember, ask them what they want to take from you. If you ask them, they'll not do for you again. Or some go just lie tell you say nothing na nothing. Na lie. You pay for everything. You won't go heaven self. You need person who won't go heaven need to buy. Hey. Is there anything that does not take and collect? You pay for everything. You don't even ask them what they won't take, what they won't give you. My lovely fans. You say not to talk of when Kambili could be RIP. That time of Kambili say nothing way they not do. They will say Juju me do she don't throw arrow. She won't buy you. They'll say hey, they won't buy people. They won't buy PP. They won't do payback. Bring money, come bring money. He say if Nana I no go try her. He said then he don't know what was wrong with him. So that money, you say make una return now. Make una return the money or make una share am half. This money wey they say make it come pay so. See make una share am half. One dash shall never end. My lovely fans, what do you think about this you story? Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.